Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful weight loss video for you today. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a morning replacement smoothie that's going to help to get rid of that stomach. And in 20 days, you're going to see that stomach slimming down. It's simple, it's easy, and let me show you some of the things that you're going to need for this smoothie. Now we're going to be using our NutriBullet personal size blender. So if you have a small size blender, that's perfect. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be using is 1 apple. Now for our apples, we're just going to slice that up. If you have a nice big size apple, that's good too. So what we're going to do is we're just going to chop our apples into smaller pieces and pop that into our blender cup. Okay. Next, we're going to be using our chia seeds. We're going to add in 2 teaspoons of our chia seeds. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. Now we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of our ground cinnamon powder. And now we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of our oats. And last, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Okay. And next, we're going to add in 1 full cup of almond milk. Can't forget the milk. Okay, so then you get your mug and you enjoy a really wonderful breakfast smoothie. And lastly, pop in your metal straw, and there you have it, you guys. This awesome, tasty morning smoothie. Now you're going to use this as a breakfast smoothie, as a meal replacement, and then for lunch you have your regular light, low-calorie lunch, and again you eat something healthy for dinner. And also don't forget to drink lots of teas in between, you know, green tea, lemon water, regular water. It's always good to flush out your kidneys and replenish your body with hydration as well as antioxidants. This is what's going to help to get this fiber through your body, because this is fully rich with fiber. Okay, so you drink this for 20 days and you can also continue after the 20 days, and you're going to start to see your stomach slimming down. It's full of fiber, so just be prepared. You will be going to the bathroom. Okay, so you guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also check out in my eBay store wonderful herbs and spices that's going to help you to boost your metabolism and burn that fat off of your body. I also have some wonderful tonics, detox tonics, that's going to help you to shrink your belly as well as get those inches off of your waistline, and it's going to do other wonderful things for your body. I have several different detox tonics, Living Bitters detox tonics, so check it out. I also have some wonderful herbal honeys that's going to help you in your body for your play. Okay, it's going to do wonderful things like boost your libido, boost your testosterone, help with your sperm count. If you have any type of erectile dysfunctions, these are wonderful for those ailments that you may be suffering in your body. Alright, so check it down. The link is in the description bar down down below, and it's for my eBay store. Also check out the Amazon affiliate links for these wonderful items, such as the personal size blenders, the full size blenders, these wonderful metal straws, and so much more. Okay, so you guys, I want to thank you again for joining me on this video. Don't forget to also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will get hair care, skin care, beauty care, fashion hauls, family challenges, and more. So until the next time, you guys, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you again in the next video. Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Vlogs coming back to you again with a powerful announcement. Now, if some of you haven't visited my eBay store, you are definitely living under a rock, because you are missing out on this organic fit and flat belly detox and energizer tonic. This tonic has been flying off the shelves. I've had to restock my inventory several times. This is powerful. I've used it myself. I'm still currently using it, and like I said, it works. Okay, this tonic is going to help you to lose those inches. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to clean your blood, burn that body fat. It's going to flatten your tummy and remove that waste out of your body. This is also going to boost your metabolism. For those of you who are suffering from slow metabolism and cannot get that weight off, try this tonic. It's going to boost you up. This is going to detox and energize you, and it's also going to strengthen your colon because it's going to be squeaky clean. All right, check down below in this video description for the links to my personal eBay store, where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this powerful detox that specializes in removing waste out of your body and slimming you down. So if those of you who are really serious about your weight loss journey and need that extra boost, this is going to help you, along with all the other wonderful teas and detoxes and smoothies I've been showing you throughout the year. All right, so go ahead, shop, check your girl out. I'm telling you, it's been flying off the shelves. This is my 4th time restocking this item, and I got plenty for everybody. So like I said again, y'all, check down below in this video for my eBay link for my personal store, where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this firm and flat belly, and it's all organic, natural, 100%. All right, so I will see you down below. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description, where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Vlogs, introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.